Welcome to No Nonsense News. Breaking news today, 2 new drugs announced for male sexual performance. First one, a higher strength Viagra called Moxifloppin, and the second one is a premature ejaculation cure called Molodrazepine. Next up, we take a look at the controversy around university degrees. Are degrees becoming useless? We spent the day with someone who'd done a degree in media and sound production, who now works in the industry. Let's take a look at what they say about degrees becoming useless. Hi there, my name's Tony. I've been given this camera to take round with me today and show you what I do for a living. I got my degree 4, 5, 6 years ago, and it was in media and sound production, so my job is to make them fantastic sounds that you see in film and TV and adverts, and I like to do it the good old-fashioned way. A lot of people use a lot of good software and a lot of special effects, but me, do it all manual. So take a look in my lair and I'll show you what I do. I like to really get into me scenes. So this first scene, I've just read the script, and it's about a man who's having sex with his boyfriend, and they want that sound of vicious intercourse. So let's get to it, shall we? Oh, bowling, Gaza, bowling. Aye, got him. This next one's one of my least favourite noises. So my final noise is someone clapping their hands. So there's only one way I do this really, and I'll show you how now. Thank you so much for that fascinating report, and I think, as we can see, university degrees are still clearly the way forward. This has been No Nonsense News. Have a great night. Yeah. Has anyone got any papers I could shuffle?